Hi Mike, yes I am recording. Okay, so I've had a go at replicating your design on the Elfa 3D design tool. I think that's quite a successful representation of what we're aiming to do. The only changes that you will see in the PDF list, which is a little bit confusing, the tool has designed this as a 12 and a 6. I've changed it out for a 1.8 so you can cut it to the length you need. You will see the tool gives these as melamine shelves. On the PDF list that I'm accompanying this with, those are deleted, so we should be left with just your metalwork, which is a 1.8 top track, 3 free covers, 4 verticals, and the requisite number of 27mm brackets, the horizontal part, and the book supports, one for each division as per your last email. All in graphite. I think it's going to look amazing, and this is going onto a masonry wall, so you've got your own screws for that, I think. Okay, that's great. Speak soon. Bye bye.